Hi guys, welcome back to another video of Insider Reviews. I will be reviewing about Samsung Galaxy M31. Now in previous video I talked about another mobile. I just discussed the key specs and I realized that if I discuss the key specs there's no benefit in that because you can also Google it up. So in today's video I will be discussing the key specs but in very short, and also I will be discussing what I think of this mobile. Is it worth buying or not? So let's start with the key specs very short. So the first point I will discuss about the performance. So while considering performance you need to focus on two things, which is processor and another is RAM. The processor is Samsung Exynos 9611 octa-core and the RAM which is 6GB. The 4GB is the standard one, so it's more than the standard. And the display which is also good, 6.4 inches and Super AMOLED. Now camera, it's a triple camera mobile with a LED flash at back. There's 64 plus 8 plus 5 plus 5 megapixel quad primary cameras, that is, and 32 megapixel front camera, but it has no front flash. Now the battery, which is the most important thing you need to consider while purchasing a mobile, it provides 6000 mAh battery and it has the facility of fast charging and the USB type C port. Okay, so now I will be discussing about the pros and cons that you should buy this mobile or not, and I will give a conclusion at the end of the video. So let's start with the pros and cons. I think battery is an important factor to consider. This phone is giving 6000 mAh battery, which is excellent. RAM is 6GB, more than the standard, which is always a positive thing, and the processor is latest as well. Faster working and multitasking will be an added advantage. Camera is good. I will not say that it's amazing because it doesn't perform well in low light. This mobile gives 4K video output, but you should consider the lighting conditions first, because if it don't support low light situation, then the output of the videos will be too bad. So think twice before jumping on a conclusion. You may face lag in general navigation, no inbuilt screen recorder and bare-bones software package. The back is of plastic as well. It gets scratches much easily, though you have covers for that. Still, I think that it's a topic that you should consider on. Last but not the least, smaller display bezels would have been nice. I don't kind of prefer larger display bezels, but it's up to your choice. That's not a great issue, I think, but I personally don't prefer larger bezels. So that's it. And the price of this mobile is 16,999 or 17,999, depends on the storage you take, which is 64GB or 128GB respectively. In short, I will not suggest you to buy this mobile. There are many better phones out there at this price. I will not recommend, because I think it's not worth it to spend 17k or 18k on this phone. So that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you are all safe and staying at home. Don't go out unless it's necessary, and make sure you support me by subscribing this channel and also press the bell icon so that you get notified each and every time I upload new video in this channel. And I will see you guys in the next video. Until next time, have a great day. Goodbye.